Hi, my name is Daniel Morris. I studied a Bachelor of Business in Event Management here at Torrens University, and today I'm going to give you the top tips of how to network in the events industry. First tip is to get to know your audience. Have a research of who's going to be there at the event and who do you want to impress. So if there's an event manager there, get to know them. A question I ask is, how did you get in the event industry? Or, what are your personal hobbies? What do you enjoy outside of work? Another great tip, body language. It's all about engagement. Open yourself up more, talk to that person, have something in your hands if you're a little bit nervous. This will help you succeed. Tip 3 is get to know yourself. Are you an extrovert? Will you feel comfortable at this event? Or are you an introvert? Tag team with a friend. These events are a lot easier when you do it side by side. Congratulations, you've made it through your networking event. Now comes the follow through. How are you going to stay on top of mind for all those employers and people that you met within the event industry? Don't be afraid to ask for details. Can I add you on LinkedIn? Could you put your phone number in here? This is a great way to follow up post-event. I hope these tips have helped you to get your start in the event industry. I can't wait to see you out there.